today is my reshop.
Anong gawa mo, Baby Gab?
I'm putting the sauce so that the people can come here and eat.
May meat.
Sige na, ilagay na natin lahat.
Paso na sa live. Ito na ha.
Yan eh. Mugaligin dali ko na lang. Sige na.
Let.
Dapat siguro, Baby Gab, i-mix natin muna. Namit itong na-mix tanan. Sige, gad-gad pa more. Sige.
Limpyo ba ni Or? Ang show kayo pula.
Gusto daw ni Gab mag-eat. Pilmi man na siya, no? Ikaw gid ang una magtikim?
Yeah, because their mommy likes friend will gonna be here. So mommy, I have to taste it if it's good or bad, mommy.
Oh, okay.
I have to try.
I have to try, okay.
Mommy, give me the plate, please.
This is your plate. Konti lang. Pero di ba kumain ka na? Di ba you already you eat your lunch? Ulit-ulit? Sarap.
It's the best spaghetti ever.
Oh, thank you.
But
Alright.
mommy, this is a Disneyland spaghetti.
Oh, Disneyland spaghetti?
Uh-oh.
Grabe. Do you recommend your mommy's cooking to everybody?
Yeah.
Thank you.
And
What
then
can you
I'll
say
give
to the